Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. It has been a while since I sat down and filmed a video for you guys, so that's what I'm doing today. If you're new here, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you can be notified when I upload videos. Today's video is a little bit different to anything I've done before. It's an unboxing of a subscription box, but this subscription box is actually called the Witch Casket, and it's full of fun, witchy, spiritual kind of things. So it's not a makeup one, it's totally different. I'm very excited. I'm actually filming, this is November's box. I have November, December and January to film for you guys. I'm going to do them all now. And then I will upload them over the next week or so. I'm really sorry that it's taken me so long to get them done, but I figured it's still going to be fun to have a look and see what's inside them so you can get an idea of the kind of things that come in the box if you are interested in getting one yourself. I'll also try and leave the links down below. If it's not in this video, then keep checking out for my other Witch Casket videos because hopefully I will be able to do that for you. So yeah, I'm just gonna get straight in and let's see what's inside the box. I have already opened the box, by the way. Obviously I haven't waited like 3 months to open the box, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, let's get into it. So it comes with a little thing to tell you everything that's in it. I feel like it looks really dark, not on camera, but I feel like I can't see very well. I don't know why, it's quite annoying. So this is November, and November was the 36th Witch Casket. Wow. 3 years old, so that's kind of fun. So it says we've got, shall I try and pick them out as they come? I think it's about £30 this box, I can't remember exactly, I think it's like £28 something or something along those lines. But I will in future videos like have more information for you guys. This is cute. I would probably use this for like a bookmark or something, or just pop it on my wall, but that's super cute. I like that. I don't know if that's like one of the things on the list. So let's have a look. We've got a drawstring eco bag, which will be this here. It doesn't have prices or anything like that on, it just tells you what you've got. So actually I suppose I might as well just like pick them out and show you guys because there's no prices for them. So we've got like this little drawstring bag that says Witch Casket 2019 Casket Crew, love the light. Oh, cute. I actually really like that. I will definitely use that. Yup. I could use it for like the gym or something. I've started going to the gym. Has everybody else started going to the gym? It's January after all, isn't that what we humans do? We've got a little sticker here. Ooh, Witch Casket 50% off. Okay, that's good. Good. This is a little Witch Casket sticker that I guess I could stick on wherever I wanted, I guess. I don't know what I'd stick it on, but we'll find something. Know the truth. Intuition ritual contains everything you need to heighten your intuition and awareness. Let's open it up. So I want to see if there's instructions in here as well. There is. Okay, cool. Blend the yarrow and mugwort together. Oh, it's got mugwort. Oh. Right, okay. Maybe if people want to see me to do like actual videos on some of the things that are in here, like some of the rituals and that, let me know down below in the comments. It's not something I was planning on doing. So, unless people say they want me to, I probably won't bother. Because it's kind of, I'd rather do them privately for myself. But do let me know if it is something that you want to see, and I can hook you all up with that. Why not? The things I do for you guys. So what have we got here? Ooh, Arctic raspberry loose tea leaf. I don't know how to use loose tea leaves. Do I need to buy something to like filter it or something? I think I do, don't I? If anybody knows the answer to that, you know, let me know down below. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I probably shouldn't have ripped that. So it's just like loose tea leaves, but like I said, I don't know how, can you smoke this? Or am I being so weird? Can you smoke it? It's just kind of, it looks like baggy. I don't smoke, but I could smoke herbs, like, if it was going to make me well. I don't know. Clearly I don't know what I'm talking about. We have got some, oh, where's the English? Oh, Dragon's Fire incense sticks. This smells nice. I don't think I've got any Dragon's Fire, so that will be interesting. We've just got some Dragon's Fire incense. I don't know how many we get in there. I don't know if it says. So that's that. Oh, what's this? Oh, what is this? So I don't know what this is. Should I try moving back a little bit for you guys? I don't know. Am I a little bit close? We like to get up close and personal, don't we? So why not? Okay, I can't even get into it. I don't want to rip it. I really don't want to rip it. So I might just leave this for another time, maybe. I don't know if it's going to be exciting anyways. Oh, wait. Oh. I've done the best job I think that I probably could have done with that. Oh, it's a house blessing. I love that. That's so cute. That is so cute. Okay, we'll be doing that. We will definitely be doing that. Oh, enamel pin. So we've just got like a little brooch badge type thing there. If you guys can see that. I've started working with cards. I've got a pack here actually, Oracle cards. Love them. Never was really into them before, but now that I am, if that makes sense. We have got black kyanite. Oh yes. So I will just take it out so you guys can see. How pretty is that? And it does come in this cute little bag with a little card, which these cards are really quite like professional and cool. Black kyanite is renowned for its healing properties and its particular favourite among energy healers like myself, as it sweeps away unwanted energies. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. I'm trying really hard to like contain my excitement about all this, you guys, but I think I'm doing really well. If you guys have been watching me for a while, I'm not my complete self, but you guys will know how excited I get about things. How cool is this? It's like a little candle holder. Oh my god, that is so cool. So you'd pop your little candle in there. I don't think it's... Does it come with a candle? We've got some candles here. Hang on. Okay, so we've got some black and red ritual candles. I am so excited about this. I have 2 more to open as well, which I'm even more excited about. So make sure you, if you're into this kind of stuff, make sure you keep watching. Oh, these are pretty. These are so not going to get burned. These, oh, they do kind of fit. I was going to say these aren't going to fit. Oh, they do. They fit. How cool is that? I love that. That is so freaking cool. Okay. Very excited right now. I need to get pictures of this stuff and put them on my Instagram as well. And what have we got? Oh, cute. Witch Casket exclusive. Altar protection display. Oh, that's going on my altar. 100% recycled material. Right, let's have a look. These bags. I'm going to keep these bags as well because these bags are really, really pretty. How long have we been filming? Oh, we're good for time. We're good for time. We are good. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. So how does it stand? So I can just pop this on my altar. Sacred space, pure and clear. Only good may enter here. I drive away negativity as I will it, so mote it be. And it's just like this cute little thingy. And then obviously you just pop it on there like that. And oh, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, I'm so excited. Right, I think that's everything that's come in November's box. So I'm going to pop it all away and I can actually now finally start using things. I've been waiting for so long. But yeah, I mean, I've not been very well. Things have been going on. Some of you guys already know. Some of you have seen videos. Anyways, I'm excited about this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am really interested to see what you guys think. If you've come across this video and you're not one of my subscribers and you haven't been watching my videos, like, I'd love for you to join us. But I'm just thinking, for people who already are subscribed, like, what do you feel about this style of video? I know it's not what you subscribed for, And the other things are still going to be happening, but I'm definitely like, I want to at least do these unboxings for you guys. And maybe some other like spiritually kind of things as well. So let me know your opinions down below. I love you guys so much. Hit the thumbs up button because that always does help me out. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah, I love you. Bye.